Chapter 6. Migratory Birds. Blue throat. The blue throat is a beautiful bird known for its distinct blue throat, which makes it stand out. It is a shy bird that prefers the safety of thick vegetation, avoiding open areas. This bird is also known for its melodious singing, making it a delight for bird watchers. Osprey. The osprey is a powerful bird of prey commonly found near water bodies as its diet mainly consists of fish. It has unique reversible claws that help it catch and grip slippery fish efficiently. With excellent diving skills, it can plunge into the water to seize its prey with precision. Pacific Golden Plover. The Pacific Golden Plover is a remarkable migratory bird that undertakes long, non-stop flights. When sensing danger, it cleverly pretends to be injured to distract predators from its nest. Its golden speckled feathers provide excellent camouflage in grasslands and shorelines. Greater Flamingo. The greater flamingo is a tall, elegant bird with striking pink feathers and a long, curved neck. It is a social bird that moves in groups, performing synchronized movements when sensing threats. Their pink coloration comes from the carotenoid pigments in the food they consume. Siberian Crane. The Siberian crane is a stunning, snowy white bird that migrates from Siberia to India during winter. It is omnivorous, feeding on both plants and small aquatic creatures in wetlands. These cranes are critically endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Demoiselle crane. The demoiselle crane is the smallest species in the crane family but is known for its incredible endurance. It can survive in diverse environments, including the deserts of Rajasthan. These birds perform impressive migrations, flying over the Himalayas to reach their wintering grounds. Amur falcon. The Amur falcon is a small but fierce bird that preys on dragonflies, which follows similar migratory paths. It travels long distances from Siberia to northeastern India, covering thousands of kilometers. This species is admired for its stamina, as it flies non-stop across the Arabian Sea. Bar-headed goose. The bar-headed goose is the highest flying bird in the world, capable of soaring over the Himalayas. It has specially adapted lungs that allow it to breathe in low oxygen conditions at high altitudes. Every year, it migrates between Central Asia and India, covering vast distances. Fun fact: World Migratory Bird Day (WMBD) is observed every year on the second Saturday of May and October to bring awareness about conservation of migratory birds and their habitat.